The Yardworks 2-stage snowblower packs a punch to knock a Canadian winter out cold. 12-inch steel augers chop and chew through deep snow with ease and endurance. Yardworks' extra-tall, Arctic-tested polymer chute gives you increased throwing distance and extended durability. A panel-mounted remote tilt and intuitive quick crank easily directs a steady blast of snow precisely where you want it. Barrel through the deepest drift effortlessly in your choice of 6 forward speeds or 2 reverse. Plus, you can lock down the clutch, maintain your momentum, and operate the chute controls with a free hand. You also get heated hand grips, a powerful LED for great visibility, polymer slide shoes to help protect driveway surfaces, rugged X-Track tires for maximum grip, and Yardworks PowerMore winterized OHV engine with pull and electric start for an abundance of reliable power. The Yardworks 2-stage snowblower comes complete with a 4-year limited warranty and is available exclusively at Canadian Tire.